Okay, we had another green screen recording for the previous class. You can copy that from the K drive and just listen to that later on. Okay, I just double click in the project folder, import the footage from here. There he is. Okay. First thing first, we just need this area. There's lots of dirtiness all around. They are going to create a lot of problem for us. So simply create a mask, and this mask can be an animated mask. So let's say I just want him one of his so uh, so let's say yeah, this is the move. From here I press B to no. Okay, from here I press B to here. I just need this area. I press N, trim composition to work area. Okay, this is our shots. I create a mask, while your layer is selected. This layer is selected, and then let's call these some genuine names like green screen, dancer, super duper, and this is this footage, green screen footage. Awesome. Okay, so while this green screen footage is selected, I just use the pen tool, make a mask around him. So this is the area I just need, and then you see the rest of the area is disappears. So but when he moves, I need to update the mask movement. So while your layer is selected, press M, stands for mask, and then add keyframe. Just go forward a little bit. Let's make it larger and add another keyframe. I move everything forward. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one, but I need to move this stuff as well. And the last frame, just check the middle. It's all okay all through the shot. It's fine. Now what you need for removing this green screen and separating him from the background, you see that there is no green screen spills around him, that's because we have used a proper lighting. So you just need to go keying, you see, effects, keying all the tools for removing a piece of color from a patch of color from your footage is here. We are going to use key light, but just finding all through these is a little bit hard. I just type here key light, drag the key light on him. Okay, nothing happens because It says the screen color and it is black, but the screen color is not black, it's green. I just grab this eyedropper, bang, the green screen is gone. So we have him dancing, but is it clean? No. How can I figure out if it is a good king or not? Just select from this final result to something like screen matte. See, I see that there's lots of fuzziness and they need to be cleaned out. The first thing you start to work on are these two: screen gain and screen balance. I just move the this around to see, it's clean all around, much cleaner. And a little bit of screen balance, you can see the effect. Okay, now he is separated from the background and he is in a completely dark background. You can bring your background, let's add a solid color, just pure white background, and have him in front of a pure white background. You can duplicate the layer, I duplicate the layer, I just move. Let's create an effect. Duplicate it. Duplicate it. Duplicate it. Yay! Dun, 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 dun. And they are just let's separate the depth. I can add a blurriness, like a fast blur or a depth blur, depth of field. To the first one, make it let's use another thing like fast blur. Okay, this is blurred. I'm going to create a depth. I copy this fast blur on the other one, I paste it here, make it less, let's say 8, paste on the other one, this should be 8, 5, and this should be paste on here, let's say 3. So it was on, and no one for the first one. 3, 5, 8, and 11. Yeah, that's cool. Let's have fun. Okay. I press 0. Ooh, I turn off the sound. Let's play it again. Okay. I am copying the green screen footages on, let's copy them And this is the last one on your course materials, green screen footage. Okay.